Today we're making a summer sky inspired bath bomb. Let's jump right in. Start by grabbing a large mixing bowl. In it, combine your bicarbonate soda, citric acid and Polysorbate 80 and your chosen fragrance oil. With your hands, mix in until it forms a crumbly texture that holds together when pressed. Once you've got your base ready, divide it into 2 bowls. In one of the bowls, add the PCD dye, mixing well until the colour is evenly distributed. The second bowl stays as it is, no colour. Lightly pack each colour into your bath bomb mould. We went with more blue than white to give it that cloud sky effect. Once both sides of your mould are filled, press the 2 halves together firmly. Let sit for a few minutes, then carefully remove the bomb from the mould. A little tap on the side might help to pop it out cleanly. Once out the mould, let it set for 24 hours before using. Enjoy your summer sky bath bomb. For more videos like this, hit subscribe.